Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to add announcement bar in theme customization. So you have to go to customize theme. After clicking on customize, you will see that here on the left side on your home page template you can see announcement bar. Just click on it and you will see another block open with plus sign. Just click on it. After clicking on plus announcement, you will see the announcement here. So welcome to store, you can change it accordingly. Welcome to dropshipping store. You can also change the color scheme like background 1, like background 2, inverse, and accent 1, and then accent 2, right? So you can also put a link of some collections, products, pages, blog posts and places here. So we're just adding a link of about us here. So after doing this, don't forget to click save. When you click save, you can see the preview just like here. Here you see we have announcement bar available on our store, and with clickable link, when you will click it, it will take you to about us page. So this was the announcement bar, how to add announcement bar in your theme customization. Thank you.